What's going on, guys? Today we have another one for you. Today it is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid Tan Suede, but as always the official colorway is white, blue, void team, red, khaki. Now you are greeted with these beautiful sneakers straight out of the box. Now the sneakers themselves are mostly white and light grey on the uppers, but then you also have the sail laces, and then you have the navy blue leather swoosh along with the sort of tan brownish suede, and to top it off you got the red Air Jordan logo. Now the colors, they go very well together. I mean, it sits perfectly. The color combination, the way they styled it, the way they put it all together, I think it's just a fantastic design. The only thing I would add, the only thing I'm not a big fan of, is the mesh on the back. Now I believe they would get dirty very easily, and I also believe that they won't be easy to clean. I mean, time will tell. You know, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, just a beautiful design. And for some reason, the latest two drops, like with the dark chocolates, and then you have these ones, I'm really starting to like mids. I wish they would have released the exact same colorways and same materials on the highs. But yeah, I mean, just a beautiful design overall. So let's carry on with the on feets. Now, on feet, there's really not much to say. If you've ever owned a Jordan 1 in the past, or you own one now, you know exactly what these are like. They're no different at all. They're comfortable, right? They are comfortable, but I wouldn't wear these all day. Now, as you can see in the video, I've let the laces a bit loose here. That's the sort of style I went for, basically, but they are still very snug, you know, they still fit perfectly, even with the laces loose like this. I mean, the colors are just brilliant. I really like the colors. I really like what they've done with it. These will definitely be in my rotation this week. Now I'm gonna show you guys the crease test, all right? And I've gone literally to town with these. As you will see here in a minute, I've creased the fuck out of these sneakers. And I don't mind it, you know, I just want to see how well they hold up so I can show you guys as well. And from my tests, and you can clearly see how much I've creased them, they hold up quite well actually. Now I think they will show creases in the future, obviously, but for now they're all right. And here's a little bit of a close-up, just so you can see. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. That's it with these sneakers. Let me know what you think. and I will see you guys on the next one.